Okay, thank you so much for reading the instructions. Please read them before you watch my video. Then any material you need will be on the counter. Thank you. So I just want to quickly give you a visual for how to play. So here's your game board. First thing you need to do is roll a dice. I like to use the dice roller in Google. Just Google roll dice or dice roller. And I like the blue dice. Okay? That's what you need. 3. So my first number is 3 and 6. So I have to have the large number in the denominator. And that means my first fraction here is 3/6. And I want to find an equivalent fraction. Now, some of you probably already know equivalent fractions for 3/6. But if I were to divide this by 3 and 3, I would get 1/2. So now I look for something that's 1/2. Oh, there it is. So that means I get to fill in this place. Okay. So now it's my partner's turn. We're going to go to evil Mr. Lambert here. All right, so go back to the dice roller. Let's get rid of this dice. And let's roll again. So we get a 1 and a 6. Okay, wonderful. So I go here, and that means evil Mr. L's fraction is 1/6. Now, I can't make this fraction any smaller because 1 is in the numerator, right? There's nothing I can divide to make 1 smaller. But I could see if there's an equivalent fraction that's larger. So we know to make fractions bigger by multiplying them. So all I'm going to do here is go 1/3 or 1/6 times 2/2. And I'll get 2/12. So I can see that 1/6 is equivalent to 2/12. And evil Mr. Lambert scours the board as 2/12. I see 3/12. Oh, there's 2/12. Okay. And so then good Mr. Lambert would roll again. You go to the dice roll, and either you are dividing your fraction down to find equivalence or multiplying it larger. And you'll notice from the instructions, if you can't find a fraction that's equivalent, you lose your turn. Okay? And play is repeated until one of the players gets 4 counters in a row, horizontal, vertical, or diagonal. So it's kind of like bingo, even though the thing is larger. Okay? I think this is a pretty cool game. It's great practice for equivalent fractions. Then when you're done, notice on classwork that I asked you to fill out these questions. So I want you to go to the paper bin and get a piece of loose leaf. What is the date? Who is your partner? Name 4 equivalent fractions you found, and describe your strategy for finding equivalent fractions. Use words and equations or pictures. So I want those answered and that attached to your dip board. Okay, that's how you'll prove that you played the game, and you can play this game more than once.